Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your iPhone overheating after iOS 26 update. Now I have a few tips for you guys to check, so please check them out and try and see if your iPhone stops from overheating. First things first, force to start your iPhone. So to force to start your iPhone, you're gonna need to basically restart it. Click on the power button over this side right there on your phone, physically click it and the lower volume button at the same time. So click on it, hold them simultaneously until your Apple logo appears. Keep holding until your phone turns off, and keep holding and only let go once you see turn it back on with the Apple logo. That's how you force to start your phone. Sometimes that works, but the tip number 2 will be the best part for you. So basically in here, I want to go to settings. Now I don't want to really dig it in. I'm just going to search right there. The one that calls background app refreshes. Basically, this little feature right here, make sure this is always turned off. Because if not, all of the applications still will run on your background, even your phone is turned off. Next up, same drill, I'm just going to search it up right here for the next tip. I'm going to go for location services. You heard me right? I do not like location services being turned on because it always takes up so much battery. So in here, I'm just going to click on that one. And basically for here, turn this off. Click off right there, and I'll be good to go. Just make sure you can now select location services while using an app if it's needed. Next up, check up on battery and usage. So always check up on battery and see if something is wrong. So basically click on battery right there and make sure everything is smooth and running. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.